I'm having high anxiety day, but we gotta go to BAM now. So let's go.
Podcast to prevent a single thought from occurring. It's windy and my back hurts.
Oh my god, you scared me! I thought it was about to run out on the road and be like, oh no, where is it?
Why is it sulfur monoxide windy? He's dead, Jim. New co-worker?
Yes. Do you normally go to the market and at the Botanical Gardens? Yes. Are you the one that does the Christmas shoot? Yes. Yeah. Well, you're always welcome to take a business card as well and just, reach out and be like, make this. Thank you. Well, thank you so much for stopping in today.
Snack break.
Hi. Yes, that is $5, please. Yep. And that is ready to go. That is all good. Thank you so much. Enjoy your keyring.
This portion of the video is sponsored by Frigobated.
Then it got really cold, Rip. Muffman, is that you? Then it was time to go home by.